Hi guys, welcome to another video of Shut and Rages. Today we have the very much awaited and very long leaked product, the new Apple AirTag. So first quickly let us see how the unboxing is and what things Apple has given in the box, and then we'll see how to set this up, like how you can set the AirTag up to use in your day-to-day life. So here is the box for the AirTag. This was very long awaited, and if you can clearly see, this is actually the date shown is 2/21, so it's not the old ones that some people are getting. Is 8/2020, so that means these were ready earlier also. Apple just didn't want to ship it to us. Okay, now let me quickly zoom. Now let us see what we have inside the box. I got the 4-pack because if I need like for my keyring etc. So cool pull tag as usual, Apple stuff. Okay, so here are the AirTags themselves. Pack of 4, a little heavy. These are papers. I don't think no Apple stickers anyone is ever going to read them. So let me quickly open it up. Okay, so here are our first look of AirTag. Let me just take one. This is kind of cool puck shaped thing. One out because I'll be needing only one right now. I don't know how to show it properly with this small. Okay, this has little weight. I wasn't expecting it to be Apple logo on top, and clean back, nothing on the back. Now let me show you how you can set it up with your iPhone. So all you got to do is you have to bring your phone near to it and you have to peel the plastic. Okay, so here the plastic is connected to the battery, so when you remove it, it kind of just sticks and the connection is complete, so it starts working. So here I am pulling it out. If you heard the sound. Okay, now this should show near my phone. See, as you can see, there goes the nice little animation for AirTag on the iPhone. You just have to press connect. This is going to be my key, so continue. Okay, use this. Oh, sorry. Continue. It is setting up this little puck. It makes clean sounds. I mean, it's audible enough. Okay, so you can clearly see in the map, it is showing that my keys are here. Okay, where I can check, see all keys. So if you click, when you open this, it's here, it's showing already that it's here. This is very cool animation. Okay, let me show you the sound that plays when you play this. So it's loud enough also, not very pale sound which I was expecting from this small size. This is actually my first impression. This is a little heavier than I anticipated, but other than that, it's a really decently made and premium feeling device. The main question that boils down for a lot of us is, do we need something like this? Like, do you need something like this? For me, I'm going to use in some products, some like keys or something, backpacks, keys, so that way it can be useful. I don't really know myself at the moment. Also, aside from this, I ordered one keyring. This is the leather keyring. Again, very good pull tag. Let me quickly take this out. This is Apple original accessories, so you know it is supposed to have a good quality. Okay, feels good in the hand. But okay, you have to, you know, just sticks in, so you kind of have to pull it out. Place this little puck in. I want to place with the Apple logo in the front, and here goes this, and okay, so here it is all sound and safe inside the keyring. This is a little heavier. I wasn't expecting it to be, but yeah, overall it's good, and the usability is really cool. Once the lockdown lifts, I'll be making a cool video where I'll be handing my key to a friend of mine, and then, you know, kind of trying to find it when that person has hidden the device. So I have something planned on that. Just stay tuned for more. So I think you guys are pretty much clear with how to set this little thing up, and how you can, you know, use it to protect your important things so you don't lose them. But the important question that boils down to, do we actually need this? Like, I am someone, I know people are out there. I have friends who have lost a lot of things, but I am someone who has never lost anything, like kept something and forgotten it. But still, you know, it's kind of an extra layer of protection. But specifically in a country like India, let's say you go to a village, because the whole working of this is based on Find My network. So it requires an iPhone near it, not yours, any other iPhone near it to work. In country like India, where the penetration of iPhone is not that much, like let's say if you go to a tier 2 city, tier 3 city, or a village, you won't even find one single iPhone. So what if you lose your you know, thing there, like whatever you have attached the AirTag to, what if you lose this there? So there is no option of tracking it, because it won't come near any iPhone, so it won't send the location to the server. So that's something that I'm a little iffy about. You know, when I received the product, I was kind of excited on how to make the review and what things to say. But there is not a lot to say at this moment in a country like India, where we don't have that much penetration for something like an iPhone. Yes, if Android comes with something like this, that will be a huge market, because India has lots of Android user. So for that, I'm waiting that Google comes up with something like this in the coming future. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you guys are at the home. We all are seeing the surge in COVID cases. Please stay at home, and if you have to go out, please follow all the COVID protocols. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.